Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I will continue with the next section. It is part D, and that is President Joe Biden, when being a lawyer, never fixed broken family law using domestic violence type, breach of duty, causation and injury, battery, assault, false imprisonment, trespass to land, trespass to chattels, and intentional infliction of emotional distress for fellow mankind by destroying the brain nerve cells when emotional torture is provided with extreme pain and agony is inflicted, and all are classified as emotional damages enforced on innocent civilians, and civil justice must be served, and President Joe Biden must should resign abruptly now immediate for provided abuse of justice, and it is $1 trillion deadliest domestic violence crimes. And Pope Francis, the Jesuits leader, God of USA, Queen of England Elizabeth, God of USA, state governments, governors and mayors, Supreme Court judges, and Supreme Court appeals court judges, then President USA, government agencies, then Senate Republic, Congress Republic, then Republic Senate, Republic House of Representatives, Republic Speaker, lawmakers of USA, and each USA public sectors agencies and private sectors agencies, which resulted in an injury and damages done to innocent divorced populations, civilians worldwide, on brain nerve cells with emotional and feelings and memory process of brain torture, damages done in emotional wastages and feelings wastages, and then lifetime scars to innocent absolute divorced population worldwide, to be left with mocked and bullied by only educated foolish leprosy patients, is all provided in the scandal of tax mandate scandal created by Vatican Pope Francis. And because of that, President Joe Biden got all the curse and being at fault and found guilty, and that is why he must resign immediately, effective with the next 1 second and up beyond. Then only when USA nation and nations provides original Garden of Eden since day one, how a God of true Christianity created for all humans to live in heaven, and only then healthy, affordable, measurable, traceable family law services must be provided. So until then, always forever, invalid marriages must be annulled. When civilians are filing for divorce, it should be annulled only, never divorced, okay? And then USA nation must pay $25 trillion daily to each divorced single mom's population worldwide forever, regardless of life event changes, right? Whether they're going to get remarried or not, the USA nation have to pay that $25,000 trillion because of the errors created by Vatican and President Joe Biden, and never fixed the broken justice law being a lawyer. And then USA nation must also pay $10,000 trillion to each divorced male populations worldwide, regardless of having a dad role or not. Okay, and also to the divorced single women who are whether because they are not having children, right? So they'll be getting only $1,000 trillion. Okay, for and why it is always more benefits to the women? It is because women are the double innocent women in the entire human kingdom, in all the creations created by God. And I, Vedapriya, should be Supreme Civil Chief Family Law Judge for all nations worldwide, is the civil justice served immediately. Okay, then be aware Department of Children and Families agencies of USA and CARES Act programs of DACF, as in COVID-19 DCF programs in all 50 states, is a $1 trillion Delhi scandal, and as of now should be sealed and shut down for each software line of code of DCF agency is absolutely wrong, and shamefully software world slaves to Pope Francis, fooling USA government operations forever. Oh, there is no other crime that a nation to provide deadliest welfare scandal agencies forever. So DCF of USA as of today must pay at least tax-free $25 trillion to each divorced single moms worldwide, then civilian times total population, and then $1,000 trillion to the remaining divorced population, regardless of genders, with or without children. Then, and I proved now why USA only created COVID-19 scam is another $1 trillion scam is only because I filed a lawsuit against DHS of USA for 500 billions of dollars in year 2019. So January 2021, software line of code of DCF, Department of Child and Families, and Department of Justice, then Department of IRS, Department of Treasury, Department of Revenue, Department of Federal Reserve, and Department of Health Services is $1 trillion error. So USA government is sealed and must be sealed and shut down for fatal negligence. Okay, so wisdom is only civilians aged greater than 18 years only must be getting into the marriage covenant. So how on the earth the DCF, DOJ, and the DHS and IRS were able to provide their services to the child marriage population? So that is another $1 trillion scandal. So USA must pay another $500,000 trillion to each civilian times total population for Pope Francis, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer created child marriage patient populations worldwide. So DCF as of now should be DCF, DOJ, DHS, and tax, revenue, treasury, Federal Reserve Bank of USA all must be sealed and shut down for deadliest crime of Vatican is proved. So I, Vedapriya, own the text for ongoing civil justice process. Okay. So then ex parte, then the Civil Procedure Code of 1908. Right, it is for ex parte. This information is ex parte, and I got this information in the online education services. It's a process where, without awareness of our biological moms only in the divorce process, judges will, with the blindest eyes, will sign off mandated injustice. Okay, it is enforced, mandated, and then sign the injustice means they are creating an enforced brain nerves to be damaged because it is injustice signed for innocent people, right? So that is when a judge never knows that signing injustice, innocent will be punished, then he is invalid to be disqualified to be a judge. So but then it's all created as a scandal because of the Pope Francis asked them to do so. Okay, and that is why USA should pay $25,000 trillion to each divorced single mom's population worldwide, and then $1,000 trillion to each divorced single population without children. Okay, so for I displayed $1 trillion ex parte scandal of Vatican, USA government must pay me tax-free $500,000 trillion because software lines are errored and cannot be fixed. It's broken in pieces and enforced to be USA operations all to be broken. And I can provide all the fixations. Okay, so that is why I need the job offer to be signed off immediate. And I proved why 46th President Joe Biden is disqualified to be president of USA upfront and for fatal negligence of $1 trillion errors in family law. As of now, President Joe Biden 46 must resign immediate, and I should be the interim leader of USA immediate. And that is the civil judge's term. Then why Joe Biden, being lawyer, never knows ex parte civil justice code 1908 ex parte is only eligible for biological moms always forever to file. So when President Joe Biden failed in lawyer's job and Pope Francis is a Satan and Queen of England is a Satan is identified, election 2020 scandal is proved, and President Joe Biden should resign now is a civil justice served. So I, Vedapriya, native Indian tribe, true owner of USA, and is having the highest impasse to be the interim leader of USA immediate, and also I also displayed all the errors of justice world, broken justice services, and I only eligible to be the leader of USA is a civil justice served. So this testimony is about deadliest Pope Francis Satan alias Lucifer alias Antichrist, leprosy, domestic violence type created, domestic violence type divorce to damage a human brain nerve cells for fellow mankind with fatal negligence. And yes, Antichrist alias Lucifer alias Satan, Republica, Jesuits leader, Pope Francis only created divorce worldwide. Absolute monarchs do not have any birthright to create divorce for mankind, for it is a deadliest crime to create divorce for mankind to destroy the human brain nerve cells. Okay, now let me provide with more public awareness. Okay, type A, what is more public awareness, and birthrights you all should know. There are three different categories of divorce. Okay, one is called divorce, one is called separation, and one is called annulled. And be aware, all these things are created exclusively only for tax mandate. So divorce is also created for tax, separation is also created for tax, then annulled is also created for tax. However, the innocent civilians are fooled. They never knew what is divorce, what is separation, what is annulled, and because of that innocence and ignorance of never knowing what exactly is that process, the government, the broken justice services, they took the innocent people for granted, meaning they exploited the innocence of the population of the nation, and that is the deadliest crime. Okay, so there should be only annulment in the marriage dissolution process. There should never be divorce. There should never be separation process. So why they wanted to create it is all for tax process. Okay, along with the tax process, what else the civilians get it in turn? They get lifetime scars of stamped as divorced, separated, like that. Okay, left to be mocked and bullied by the educated foolish people worldwide. That is really wrong, right? So there is the deadliest scandal here, and President Joe Biden never fixed that. It's $1 trillion of error, and he should never be a president. He should immediately get out of the White House immediately. Okay, so that is one. And then what more is a $1 trillion tax scandal? Child custody and child support and alimony spousal support. These are all deadliest $1 trillion of scandal. Who is a nation to even decide about the child custody for the biological moms? Biological moms by default have the child custody, right? They are the ones who are providing the womb. They are the ones who are providing the meaning. God created the holy womb only for the women, right? And God only creates the umbilical cord, placenta, then all the other things that is we humans don't know how those things are created. It's all created only on the fly by God, in God's labor, and it is gone. So that is why even if there are n number of children that is being born in the same womb, each child is different. Each time the placenta is different. Each time the umbilical cord is different. Right? So who in the earth is the USA government to decide the child should live with her, should not live with her? That itself is a $1 trillion scandal. So who did that? It is Satan, Pope Francis. Got it? It is Pope Francis, France leader, Sicily Archbishop. They are the Satans. The Queen of England, Elizabeth II. They are the culprits. They are the true criminals. They are the thugs. They are the ones who destroyed the entire family process law. And why the national leaders were not able to fix it? Why Joe Biden were not able to fix it being a lawyer? Because puppet and slave to absolute monarchs. Right? Otherwise, being a lawyer, he would have immediately lifted the Holy Bible and would have stand in front of Pope Francis, slapped Pope Francis, right? And he would have fixed that broken justice services, but he did not. Right? So child custody is created for tax process. Out of this entire scandal, who are the sufferers? Only biological moms and the children, right? In the entire divorce cycle process. And why on the earth the Pope Francis have to think and bother to create that kind of a hell? He's already having all kind of luxury, money, dollars to eat, everything. Then why he want to create extra hell for the fellow mankind who never did anything to Pope Francis? Right? The innocent civilians, they never did anything to the absolute monarchs. So why on the earth they want to hurt the fellow mankind with wrongful justice? When a nation is providing a wrongful justice, that is the deadliest crime a nation can provide. It needs to be shut down mode. Meaning, I will even see President Joe Biden resigning part is one process. Okay, I will only seal and shut down USA nation immediately. I will give only 5 minutes. I will give 5 minutes and just say USA just shut down. Let all nations be nations. You lose the title called nation. and just live with it until I fix all these things. Like that. Right? Meaning for 5 years, USA nation will never be called as nation because of the crime they provided in the family law, broken family law process. Who is Senate to decide on who should, on the child custody of about the biological moms and the children, who the children should live with? Who is Senate? Did Senate got the labor pain for biological moms? Never. Did Congress got the labor pain for biological moms? Never. Right? Did Queen of Elizabeth got labor pain for biological moms? Never. Did Pope Francis got the labor pain for biological moms? Never. Right? Did President Joe Biden got the labor pain for all the moms worldwide during the labor pain? Never. Did governors got the labor pain for biological moms? Never. Did cops got labor pains for biological moms? Never. Right? Did softer world people got the labor pain for biological moms? Never. When everything is never, did Department of Children and Families got labor pain for all the biological moms? Never. Did Department of Health Services and Department of Justice and Department of Tax, did they got the labor pain for biological moms worldwide? Never. Who gets the labor pain always forever in the entire human kingdom? Always, within double quotes, double innocent pregnant women. Right? So why USA have to provide that kind of a crucifixion? It is an absolute crucifixion to separate biological moms and children in a divorce process. Who gave that authority that biological moms and children should be separated from the child during the divorce process? Oh, that is the deadliest crime that can be provided. And I proved there are no judges yet, there are no there are no lawyers yet, and Harvard Law School is handcuffed and Harvard Medical School is handcuffed, right? And entire medical services is handcuffed. All then, what is more public awareness you all should know? Always a man in entire total men population, as in total men population, right? They are the one gender, male gender population, is always innocent, okay, forever, because God created man from dust is the wisdom, right? So when humans are created by God in the God's image, they are born innocent and always innocent only. They cannot hurt fellow mankind, okay? They can never, humans can never hurt fellow mankind. Okay, and then always a woman in entire total women population, right? Worldwide, across the globe is always within double quotes, double innocent always forever. Until earth bloods, always, regardless of whatever situation the women are in, they are double innocent, always. So that is why in a healthy civil justice process, sign off in a divorce process, always children must be given child custody, sole child custody and placement only to the biological moms, according to the Holy Bible guidelines, according to the true Christianity guidelines. So I proved that Pope Francis is never a Christian. Got it? I proved just now, right now I proved Pope Francis is never a Christian, and President Joe Biden should resign immediately for this deadliest crime I am proving. He cannot even answer why he never fixed the broken family law, justice service law. That is a crime, right? He created a crime. Because he is a lawyer, he should have fixed it. He never fixed it. He cannot even say, oh no, Pope Francis only told that family law process should be broken. That way tax can be collected. That way Queen of England and Pope Francis and other teams can eat the tax dollars daily. That is why President Joe Biden, being a lawyer, was fatally negligent. On purpose only, I never fixed. Right? He cannot tell that kind of excuse to me. I will say, just get out of the White Houses. That is the healthiest process I am providing, at least. Right? So you all should know on gender level who are innocent, and only on innocent level identified only civil justice must be signed off. That is the reason why always the highest civil justice or the national benefits, anything should be provided to the women population when they are undergoing through a divorce hell. I would say divorce is an hell process, right? When they're undergoing through a lot of emotional torture, lot of pain and agony, exponentially increased thing, right? And they are going to be left out with the scars, lifetime scars, to be left with to be mocked by the educated population. So they have to live with it daily until the death, regardless of their life event changes. So people should know why men are innocent and why women are double innocent. Okay, men are created from the dust, so they are innocent. Women are double innocent because they are created from dust and also the rib bone, rib cage, right? There is one rib bone. They are created from one rib bone of the man. Okay, I will explain those details later. I do not have time. So that is the reason why women are always double innocent. Double innocent means what? Double wisest. Highest level of wisdom is always only women. That is why a man marrying a wisest woman becomes more wisest. Right? And then in holy marriage covenant, always only friends forever, true friends only should get married. And they should get married in a healthy mental health. Right? In a very healthy way, environment only they should get married. So there are certain prerequisites that is provided clearly in the true Christianity, right? And that needs to be followed. It's never a toughest task to love truly, right? A man should love a woman truly in a clean heart. It is never a toughest task, right? Simplest one. And a woman should love a man truly in cleanest heart. That is, do you think is it a rocket science? No. When people love truly, that love is so pure. It is so heaven, right? It is cleanest love because it's cleanest love. Nobody loves that impurity injected love, unhealthy love, right? Antichrist love or anti-love. Because they are unhealthy. They wear a mask of illusion, and then they provide illusion services. This is not love at all. So those are all, there are different layers which I could explain down the road as and when needed, but right now I do not have time on that. On the highest level, people should know men are innocent always and women are double innocent. That is why in divorce processing, the closer sign off, the children must be given sole custody only to biological moms always. Biological moms only have the highest imposite to have the sole custody of the children forever. And they are the absolutely wonderful caregivers. It is worldwide, known worldwide. There is no education that is needed for the judges to sign off or anybody, right? It is known worldwide. If you go and see into the animal kingdom, always the kids will be only with the mom. It is known. The nature itself is teaching what needs to be done. What more of an education does nation government needed for the family law services to be signed? So why on the earth President Joe Biden shamefully wants to be a president at the first place when he never even knows what is a family law at the first place when being a lawyer, right? There is lot of crime, lot of scandals, layers of scandals, and I'm proving everything on a micro level, very detailed level I'm providing. That is why it is taking very long time. Otherwise, I would have done everything in one single session, like 40 minutes like that. But I have to explain all this with a proof. That is why people will know, that is how people will know, oh, President Joe Biden should never be a president. Oh my God, have President Joe Biden to resign now immediately. That's how people will know. Right? He should not be a president now. It is very shameful for him to be a president now. Right? So I'm providing on a very high level. Okay, now then what more public awareness and birth rates you all should know? Always forever, biological moms must never be separated from children. For it is a deadliest zero tolerance crime, and then there is no other crime than to separate biologicals from children during the or in the divorce process. So, what affordable solutions or reform did President Joe Biden even provided? Right? And for destroying the family justice services law with fatal negligence, he is given highest paid job, salary. And shamelessly, even being so wealthy enough, he wanted to be president just for the sake of the title alone. For that fancy title of president, he want to, for the power grab. Politician, right? He's a politician just for the sake of that. How shameful it is, right? It is the darkest day in the history, my dear fellow mankind. US nation is broken in pieces. President Joe Biden should resign immediately without any delay. Okay, then what more of the awareness you all need to know? Okay, when a wise man marries a wise woman, okay, is heaven always forever. Okay, and it is wisdom, that is why only wise men should marry wise women to be wisest, because wise women is the wisest, and that is how a wise man marrying a wisest woman becomes double wisest. Because why? Because there will be a true friend process model. What does a true friend process always do? Provide only wisest wisdom ways. Guide everybody in the wisdom ways. That is why there are prerequisites and the prerequisites to be mandated in the holy marriage covenant law, constitution, in true Christianity alone. It is very simplest task. True Christianity is nothing fancy, okay? All true Christianity is just only one thing. Very simple thing. Holy marriage law, love clean. That is that rocket science? There's nothing beyond that in true Christianity. That is all is a Christianity. It is never a religion. It is a way of living. It teaches how a civilian should live in heaven. Do you all want to live in heaven? Then love clean, get married and live in heaven. That is what it is. That is all about the true Christianity. If you, the Holy Bible, the entire Holy Bible is just only one thing. Holy marriage law mandate. That is all. What is holy marriage law mandate? Love clean. How can a people can love clean? When being innocent. Right? When there is toxic injected as unhealthy influences like brainwashing, right? People will tell, oh no, what's there in that? God is not seeing. There are people will not see that. Those are all the unhealthy influences. Just get out of those kind of unhealthy influences, right? So there needs to be a healthy awareness. You all need to know. A wise man marries a wise woman is heaven always. And it is the same thing. A wise woman marrying a wise man is also heaven always. Okay. Then what happens? There is never a divorce. Got it? Can you all see the root cause of in crimes of different level? Government is broken one side. I am explaining that also. That is why it is taking long time. And then on the highest level, when you are checking of each root cause one by one, where everything traces to. It all traces back only to the Vatican. Pope Francis is being a Satan and Antichrist. He only destroyed holy marriage law at the first place. Right? He created the child marriage scam. Oh my gosh, that is another $1 trillion errors, and I don't know how President Joe Biden is going to, his head is going to break. That is a fact. For how long, for how many, the bill is going long, right? The bill of medical compensation billing is increased lot. I don't know how President Joe Biden is going to provide that. I only can even guide that part also. Hey, do this, do that, right? Because I only know what are the healthy, affordable solutions, how to provide the finance compensation for the damages done. Tell me, when adults are struggling in their relationships worldwide, I'm talking only about the a man and a woman kind of a relationship. The other relationships, I will even come back. Okay? Now, on the adult level, when these adult people, we adult people are struggling day in, day out with the relationships, complex relationships, toxic relationships worldwide, breaking our heads, don't know what to do, living in a hell, torture mode, imagine how the pain and agony is inflicted on child marriage population worldwide. And why on the earth that was created at the first place? Tax mandate. Can you all see how fanatic love for crown? It is Queen of England, right? And Pope Francis only created child marriage. Yeah. And okay, they created the child marriage population hell, right? At least what could they have done? They could have provided all the national benefits free housing, free utility, everything, free education, right? They didn't do that. They did not do that. What did they do instead? Using criminal law, they were stamping all the child marriage population as sinners. And they were rejected with the national benefits worldwide. They were enforced and mandated and then rejected with the national benefits worldwide. When Pope Francis is getting to eat a healthy, highest, richest food every single day in his palace, the child marriage population are not able to get even one healthy meal a day worldwide. Why does he want to create that kind of a torture to the innocent population? Right? Can you all understand why the national leaders were not able to provide the solution? Because they are all slaves to Pope Francis. They were all having that fear. They could not stand in front of Pope Francis, slap Pope Francis left and right, and get things, they should have laid that Pope Francis immediately, long time back itself. He should have gone in ashes long time back, Pope Francis. I don't know why he is allowed to live free at this first place. So can you all see why I have to be only leader of Vatican so that I could lead, and why I have to be the interim leader of USA to lead? Can you all understand that? Right? President Joe Biden, he's handcuffed mode right now. He's absolutely at fault crime, domestic violent patient. He should just get out of the White House immediately because he's endangerment to the justice process. Right? He failed in fixing every single thing. Can you all see how the crime has increased exponential way? Then, okay, so you got to know, you all got educated on what is heaven, right? Heaven means holy marriage only. Holy marriage law, a man, a woman getting married in a healthy environment, in a healthy way, that is heaven actually. People have to get married, they have to get children, they have to live a life, happy life, right? They have to laugh out louder, they have to dance in love, right? They have to sing in love. That is how people should live every single day. Basic, healthy, peaceful life, joyful life. They should become grandparents one fine day, right? Then they have to lead that retirement life one day. These are all the healthy stuff. This is how the population live. But it's not. Reality is not. Why? Because everything got destroyed, enforced, on purpose destroyed. When people are not living in a happy mode, then the nation can tell, hey, see, there are a lot of poverty population, or there are a lot of homeless population, there are divorced population, pay tax. So can you all see every single distractions was also created only for tax? The divorce also was created for tax only. I will explain that later. Oh, I don't know what. God will never forgive Pope Francis. Got it? And I will never forgive Pope Francis. I will just ask Pope Francis to jump in the volcano and die. I will not even have USA government to use the drone and then pick and drop and like that. No, I will not even waste that time. I will just ask Pope Francis to run all the way from Vatican to and jump in the volcano in Hawaii and go get lost. Because the crime he has created in a deadliest way. Every single thing, you name a disease, you name a mental disorder, right? You name a physical injury, you name a internal organ injury, everything, birth defect, cancers. Everything was created by Pope Francis. Who is going to pay for damages for all that? And the loopholes is, for all these damages created, USA never paid any medical compensation. Not only US, an entire nation, they never paid any compensation for the damages done to the population. So that means, I don't know, USA is the poorest nation right now because of the medical compensation that needs to be paid, taken care of immediately, the highest priority. President Joe Biden cannot even do anything without paying the medical compensation first. President Joe Biden cannot start the government operations. Because that will be considered as another crime. And what is the best President Joe Biden can do? Just get out of the White House, back off in silence, and provide a healthy pathway for me to step in and start to lead immediately as the highest priority. Okay, what more you all need to know? When a wise man marrying a foolish woman, that is hell. Okay? So, just be aware, always, wisest only are the sufferers in the hands of foolish. So, that is why when a wise man marrying a foolish woman is hell. It's absolute hell. Okay? So, now when it is almost like, I would say, a wise man thrown on a hot boiling vessel to be boiled in hot oil every single day in a toxic relationship. So do you think that an innocent man, a wise man, should even undergo that kind of a life in a toxic relationship? Never, right? A civilian should always live a healthy life, happy life, always be in a happy mode, always enjoying in tears of joy mode. That is how a man, a woman should live in this earth. That is how God created all the creations, all the earth, everything for humans to live happily, to enjoy the God's creation happily. So this toxic relationship, right, that tears down the human brain nerves in pieces. So that means even a man gets into the extreme stressful mode in the divorce sign-off when a wise man marries a foolish woman. Who is going to pay the damages for that? And what is why when I'm saying the foolish woman in the marital covenant, when got married to the wife, the foolish people in generic way, they have the blinded eyes, right? And they will not even realize what disaster they are creating to the fellow mankind in the toxic relationship. And because of that, yes, there is an innocent identified, yes, and at fault. At fault part is created by Pope Francis. That is why they are foolish people. Otherwise, why would even civilian be choosing a foolish lifestyle? Right? So, these foolish people, after creating a havoc, after creating a disaster, they will not even realize the disaster created to the fellow mankind and they'll move on. Have you ever seen that? That is a life proof, right? I'm proving. So they are foolish people are called what? Abusive people, right? So they mock, they move on. They bully fellow mankind, they move on. But the receivers end, right? The innocent people or the wisest people are the innocent always. They never know how to hurt fellow mankind. So they are the receiving end and they become victim of abuse. And they have to live with the torture, live with that lifetime scars. And when they are thrown in this toxic relationship like abusive marriage, what happens? They have to live in that boiling in the hot oil mode always. And that is absolutely torture, right? That a civilian does not have any birthright to create that kind of an environment, and civilian do not even need to live in that kind of a stuff. He or she, when in a toxic relationship, just live the Holy Bible and start running out to get out of the toxic relationship immediately. Get saved immediately on the spot. It is clearly written in the Holy Bible, right? But then what is another layer of scandal? This Pope Francis, he did. He created havoc. He created a total disaster for innocent civilians. He says, no, 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 no. When people are getting divorced, they are stamped as sinners. They cannot divorce. And because of that, do you all know how many population they are adjusting with an extra patience level and tolerance level and just living in the toxic relationship? Because of that scandal provided by Pope Francis alone, worldwide, regardless of religion, faith, I'm talking about. You be an atheist, or you be a communist, or you be Christian, Islam, or anybody, or Hindu, or whatever. They all are struggling. No marriages is healthy as of today. Everybody is struggling. Everybody is passing their day by day with God-given strength only. But when there is a healthy process is provided, then it will be easy, right? Divorce should never be complex. When people, when the toxic relationship, when the people want to get out of the toxic relationship, they are creating $1 trillion revenue, making a nation richest by the wisest choice they are doing, right? When people are not deciding not to be in the toxic relationship anymore, they are filing for divorce. What are they doing? They are choosing a wisest choice. So for that, they have to be credited. Actually, the nation should pay more dollars to the divorced population only in the earth. They are the wisest population in whole wide earth. Who are in a marital constitution as of now, they are the fools, absolutely fools. And I will keep on explaining those later. I do not have time right now. They are the absolute fools. There is a proof for everything. And every single person is fooled by Pope Francis. And it is called what? 666, mark of the beast process model. Got it? So that means Pope Francis want to enslave entire human kingdom and to bring entire human kingdom into the control, slave mode of Pope Francis. Got it? And this destruction, this divorce process and the family law scandal is the highest level of scandal, because in entire disease classification, in entire emotional damages classification, the divorce is the king of diseases, I would say, because it creates havoc to the brain nerves directly. Oh, there is no other destruction that can be done when people are thrown in a toxic relationship. For example, if you all do not, if any civilians do not like fellow mankind, be it a fellow family member or whatever, or friends or like that, just throw them in the toxic relationship, period. They'll be gone in hell forever. They'll be thrown in hot boiling oil every single day. That is why when people should never cannot be true friends, never get into the marital constitution. Do not wear a mask. Do not provide that illusion. Do not say, oh, let's get married, love, give, and then torture the people who got married to end up in a divorce. No, just don't do that. Right? But then why all these things are happening? Pope Francis only is creating divorce. And I will explain everything. There's a proof. You all might be laughing at me right now. Why this women out of nowhere telling Pope Francis only is creating divorce? I have the proof, my dear fellow mankind. Right? So I can prove it, and then then I see the people will be in a absolutely mad mode. They are already people, entire total population blood have started boiling, being aware of the truth which I am displaying. Right? That means even President Joe Biden must also be angry, extremely angry with Pope Francis as of now. Why? His job is in jeopardy because of him. Right? President Joe Biden being angry at me is a different part, because he will be angry because, oh no, this wisest lady is signing off excellent civil justice, meaning that's how he'll be angry at me, not beyond that. But then he being angry at Pope Francis is a totally different thing, because his job is in jeopardy. He has to resign because of Pope Francis' crimes, right? And because of Pope Francis only, he never fixed the broken justice services. And because he never fixed the broken justice service, only civil divorce population are getting tortured every time in the divorce here. So it's all interlinked, it's all integrated, right? And on the micro level, government operation level, DCF is also must be mad with Pope Francis only right now. Tax services, bank services, insurance services, Hewlett Packard, they all must be absolutely mad with Pope Francis right now, because all their jobs and all their services are in jeopardy. They are all in a sealed to be shut down mode, indefinite mode. And do you know how much of loss it is going to be for a national government operations? If one day a nation is shut down, that is all. USL will be gone. So I'm saying it has to be shut down forever, means then that is all. USA is gone. So why on the earth does absolute monarchs, fanatic, foolish people have to create this kind of a hell for fellow mankind? Right? So just be aware, when a wise man marrying a foolish woman, it is a hell, right? And it's called as a toxic, abusive, whatever, right? Then wise women marrying a foolish man is also a hell. That means a wise woman is thrown in a hot boiled oil to be boiled. That's what it means. Then the other category of population is when a foolish man and foolish women getting married is also hell. Okay, now this is one layer of hell. What is another layer of hell? Without having any awareness, people are marrying wrong humans. That is also hell, regardless of abusive marriage or regardless of a healthy marriage. Healthy marriage means what they call it according to the society defined certification. When they were, oh, these people are married, they are owning a home, oh, they are having a vehicle, oh, they are having a pet animal, right? How they are having children. So that is how the society creates an illusion of what is classified as a healthy marriage, right? So I'm saying, regardless of healthy marriage or abusive toxic marriage, when the moment humans are married wrong humans, right, then everything gets invalid. Got it? They can live in a home, they can be having a happy family, children, everything is an illusion. Because they got married wrong and had children with wrong humans. Everything is shattered, meaning the emotional damages is expanded and increased exponential, because even the family members, extended family members also get their emotions damaged, right? Emotions gets wasted. They throw in all they see. Humans are loving humans always. That is how God created humans, right? So when there is a family, extended family, friends, neighborhood, community, workplace colleagues, they all shower enough good love only, right? We all are human beings. We all love only clean love. That is how God created all humans to be. But then the basic root cause level, foundation level, even on these absolute monarch Satans, they did not even left out the holy marriage process also. Got it? All for fanatic love. They mandated, enforced entire population, 7.9 plus billions populations, to marry wrong humans. Imagine the emotional damages done to entire civilians. and that too without any awareness. That too without any awareness. So, why would they have to do that? Tax. Because in true Christianity alone, there is never ever tax. Got it? I'm proving that Pope Francis is never a Christian again. I'm proving Queen of England is never a Christian again. Now, they are proved as Satans. So that means default President Joe Biden should resign. Right? See, I am providing all healthy process. Okay, I can bail out President Joe Biden, even at the cost of identified at fault and crime level is deadliest. I can provide bailout process. That is all I can do. I cannot forgive President Joe Biden. No. Even if I get to meet with him down the road when I become the leader of the nation, I will, I will just provide only healthy processing at that point also. I cannot forgive President Joe Biden, no. Because when he's a lawyer, he should have stood in the front of the law services, and he should have fixed every single broken justice services, which he did not do that. He didn't do that. He cannot give any excuse on that. So there are different levels of the layers. You got it, right? So wise man, wise women getting married is always heaven. Wise man, foolish women getting married is hell, always. Then wise woman marrying a foolish man is a hell always. And foolish women and foolish men getting married is a hell always. And then the sub-layer and the micro-level layer, when humans are marrying wrong humans, regardless of a toxic marriage or healthy marriage category, the entire marriage constitution becomes invalid, disqualified. Right? People should get married only to the rightful people. That is what the Holy Marriage Constitution is all about. So there are different levels of layers of scandal that's been going on. We need to fix that. Without fixing that, we cannot put a patch, oh no, we can run the government. How on the earth President Joe Biden can even run a government when everything is crashed in pieces? That itself, he is proving that he cannot be a leader. He should have said only one word. Every government operation is crashed. Give some time. Or at least he could have given that sentence, but he never did that. Oh no, President Joe Biden told he can fix everything, but he never even fixed. Versus, providing the public awareness, I already fixed 50% or 60% of the COVID-19 plague already. Right? I proved I am the leader of USA and President Joe Biden is not. He should shamefully only get resigned and get out of the White House. But I already told he will get the honor means what? In the history they will talk about him that President Joe Biden was a one-day president or a weak president. That it's the honor, highest honor, he will get it. Because he will say, yes, I was like that because there was a transition, that was reorganization was going on across the nation and across the globe. And I became a fallen trap of the Vatican scandal. So that's why I was mandated to resign. So that means there is no shame for him to get resigned after all. He should be proudly resigned. Send the resignation letter just like that, throw and get out of the White House means he is providing the highest standards of ethical standards of humanity process. Right? So, and then what more of the public awareness you all need to know? Each man in entire human kingdom is created by God with diamond brain and golden heart. Okay, is the wisdom. An innocent men population, they are born to love cleanest only, and men can never hurt fellow mankind always is wisdom, because God first loved men, and that is how men love women. It's all in a hierarchy mode. Got it. So you people can even laugh. Oh no, this lady is foolish. She's talking all ideal conditions, which is impossible. No, that is not. I'm talking the reality. I'm talking the truth. I am talking the assist mode. This is how God created humans should to be. Humans are very innocent, and they are known only to live happily in a peaceful life worldwide. So then each woman in entire human kingdom is created by God with diamond brain and golden heart is wisdom, and they are double innocent women population. They are born to clean love cleanest, and women can never hurt fellow mankind. Always is the wisdom. Okay, then what more is a public awareness you have to know? Nobody in the human kingdom, regardless of their race or ethnicity or religion, faith or skin color or whatever, they never get married to end with divorce, which is the worst type of crucifixion enforced to any civilian in earth and life and earth to end up and also to be stamped with lifetime scar is enforced, right? So you all should know what are the different levels of public awareness. Sadly, innocently, the civilians never even know the disaster level type of the divorce. Right? They innocent civilians or the educated foolish population, they never know extended version of widows is only divorce, right? Only difference is in divorce people get parted and they go in different ways because of whatever they have hell undergone through. It can be anything. Nobody have to know what hell they underwent through, because everybody, when entire human kingdom enforced and married wrong humans, does it even matter, or doesn't even need it for the civilians to know what went wrong with other fellow mankind's marriage for them to result in divorce? No, unless and until they want to let it out, because people, when they are in pain and agony, some people let it out, right? Like in a friendly gesture, when we are in a friendly friends gathering or reunion or family gathering, like that, people try to talk out and let out the emotional that can help them to cure in the emotional pain they are undergoing through, right? So different people handle pain different ways, yeah, emotional shock different ways, right? So nobody need to know what exactly went wrong in their relationship that has to be resulted in divorce. Because bottom line, what people have to know, divorce is a hell. That means, do you all think that the average civilian will even just like that go and file divorce? No, because divorce is in hell, right? People will never even file for those kind of stuff. So that means they have to be pushed onto that edge, right? Enough is enough mode. That means, like I would say, volcano is a right example, right? Volcano means every single day volcano showering, that volcano part erupts is one processing, and the other real processing is for years and years and years, and they get accumulated, and one fine day it blows up, it bursts, right? So it's a similar way. People are always, tolerant, always extra patient, right? They are adjusting people everywhere. They have their enough threshold level, right? And nobody is perfect. All humans are imperfect, right? Including me also, right? Everybody is imperfect, and we are all flawed and fall short of glory of God. It is written in the Holy Bible clearly. Entire 7.9 billions of humans are error. And then again there is that by default 2 year is human is also there for humans, right? To make mistakes here and there by blinded eyes, with blinded eyes, without any education of whatsoever, or being ignorant, like. So but beyond that, there is that always being humane part, never knows to hurt part. So that comes out of only clean love. So that is why when wisest people who knows to love cleanness, when they get into a toxic relationship, the brain nerves only get tortured. Okay, I'm talking about the highest level severity damages only. So the highest level severity damages is done only in the brain nerve cells when people are thrown in a toxic. That's why they should never be in the toxic relationship. They should just come out of that. So, but then there is a roadblock. I already provided. Who provides a roadblock? Pope Francis, the El Creator. And that is why there are so many, I would say, out of 100% of the 100% in the scale of total married population worldwide, I would absolutely say 99% of the population are not even 99, I would say almost 100% of the population are daily struggling in their day-to-day lives, right? They are laughing out for a picture, family picture, you see, they'll be laughing, but they will be they'll be handling a lot of stuff in behind the scenes. They cannot tell, some people cannot tell, some people cannot shout out, they have to chew the injustice, they have to, but beyond that they are still living on a day-to-day basis with God-given strength only worldwide. So even beyond that, when people are choosing to go in a different pathways, divorce means people go in a different pathways, right? So, versus in widows, what happens? Abruptly, the other person in the marital constitution, he gets exited of the earth. He dies, he or she dies, right? So that means physically the person will not be there, and that means there is a healthy process of forget also provided by the God to the widows and widowers worldwide. So on the divorce, can you see there is okay, so there they go in different pathways, right? So then there's people think, oh, they got married, now they got divorced, like that, right? But then people should know there is that emotional level death. Okay, when I'm talking about the emotional level death, means they become total strangers mode. Yeah, it is very hard for the fellow mankind to understand unless and until they are in that situation. Okay, why? Because when people are in the marital constitution, they cannot understand what the divorced people are undergoing through, right? So when I'm talking about the so that is why when divorce cycle in life cycle, they get married, only strangers, and then strangers meets, and then they get married. Then unfortunately, with or without awareness, when they're thrown in a toxic relationship, what happens? They get into the hell relationship, right? And when they get they have to part ways. But then people are living, but then there is an emotional death. Okay, when emotional death means it is becoming absolute strangers mode. So I will stop again here and I will continue with the next section. Okay, thank you all for your time. Bye for now.